Hey everyone, I'm Daniel, and let's get straight to it. A lot of you understand English. You watch movies, you listen to podcasts, you understand YouTubers, you read posts. But when it's time to talk, nothing comes out. Your brain says, come on, say something, but your mouth says, nope, not today. I know the feeling. I've been there with another language, and trust me, it's frustrating. You feel stupid, even though you're not. You feel stuck, even though you're learning. You feel like you're never going to speak fluently, even though you are improving. So today, in this video, I'm going to talk to you directly. Just you and me. One conversation. No complicated grammar, no boring textbook explanations. Just the truth. Just real English. Just exactly what you need to finally unlock your English voice. I'll give you 5 powerful tips, not the usual trash you hear everywhere, real tips that actually work. And I'll show you how to practice them right now inside this video. So you don't just learn, you actually speak. All right, let's start. Let me tell you something you probably don't want to hear, but it's the truth. Most learners who understand but can't speak are not bad at English. They're bad at managing fear. You're scared of being judged, sounding stupid, making mistakes, forgetting words, people laughing, speaking slowly. Here's the brutal truth. Nobody cares. Nobody is thinking about your mistakes. Nobody is analyzing your grammar. People are too busy with their own lives. When I was learning Spanish, I stayed silent for months. I understood everything, but I was scared to speak. One day, my friend told me, Daniel, you sound dumb only when you stay quiet. When you speak, you learn. That hit me hard. And I want it to hit you too. You are not stuck because your English is bad. You are stuck because your fear is loud. My job today is to make that fear shut up. Okay, listen carefully. This tip is a game changer. Your brain hesitates before speaking because it tries to prepare the perfect sentence. And that's impossible. So your brain freezes and you stay silent. Here's the rule. If you want to speak, you must start the sentence within 2 seconds, even if you don't know what to say. Why? Because once you start, your brain continues. But if you wait, the fear grows. Let me show you. If someone asks you, what did you do yesterday? Your brain thinks, yesterday. Did I go out? Should I say went or have gone? Wait, is the grammar correct? How do I answer politely? Boom. Too late. You're frozen. But with the 2-second rule, you answer like this. Yesterday I went to the store and I bought something. Is it perfect? No. Is it English? Yes. Does it count? Absolutely. You win simply because you spoke. This one rule alone has helped thousands of learners break the silence barrier. So from now on, you answer in 2 seconds. No excuses. You've heard of shadowing, repeating after a native speaker, but most people do it wrong. They repeat words, they repeat phrases, but they don't repeat emotion. English isn't just words, it's rhythm, it's stress, it's tone, it's emotion, it's the music of the language. When you shadow without emotion, you sound dead, flat, robotic. But when you shadow with emotion, suddenly you become natural. Let me show you. I'll say a simple sentence. I really want to learn English. Now say it again with emotion. I really want to learn English. Feel the sound. Feel the rhythm. Shadowing is not copying words. It's copying energy. Do 5 minutes a day. That's it. Not 30 minutes, not 1 hour. Just 5 minutes every day. Trust me, your mouth will start to move naturally. People always say, think in English, and you probably roll your eyes because nobody explains how. Here's the real way. Don't think in full English sentences. Think in small English words. If you try to think like this, I would like to practice my English because... Stop. Too big. Too advanced. Too heavy for your brain. Instead, think like this. English. Practice. Let's go. Small. Simple. Fast. Your brain can't think in big sentences yet. That's fine. Start with small thoughts. Instead of, I need to remember to go to the bank later. Think, bank, later, need. Instead of, what should I eat for dinner tonight? Think, dinner, what? Small English is the bridge. Small English becomes bigger English. And soon, speaking becomes natural. You're not going to like this next one, but too bad. It works. You need to talk to yourself in the mirror. Yeah, I know. It feels stupid. You'll feel crazy. You'll laugh at yourself. Good. That means you're doing it right. Talking to yourself in the mirror does 3 things. You get used to the sound of your own English voice. You build confidence without pressure. You practice real sentences that feel natural. Look at yourself and say, hey, how's it going? What's up? What am I doing today? I feel tired. I'm excited. This is interesting. Real life English. Real life emotions. If you can talk to yourself, you can talk to other people. If you want to speak English, you must practice speaking. Not listening, not reading, not writing. Speaking. But here's the mistake learners make. They wait for a perfect conversation with a native speaker. Forget that. You don't need a native speaker. You just need consistency. So here's what you do. Every day, you create a micro conversation with yourself. Just 30 to 60 seconds. Topic examples. My day. My plans. Something funny. My problem. A memory. Something I like. Keep it simple. Talk like this. Today was good. I woke up late. I drank coffee. I checked my phone. I saw some messages from friends. I didn't have much work, so I relaxed for a bit. Later, I went outside for a walk. The weather was nice. I listened to music, and now I'm here talking to you. It feels good. Notice something? Simple English, clear English, natural English. You can do the same. I'm going to be brutally honest again. If you understand English, but you can't speak, your level is not the problem. Your habits are. You don't speak because you never practice speaking alone. You only learn passively. You wait for motivation. You're scared of mistakes. You think speaking needs perfect grammar. Let me tell you something. You will never speak fluently if you wait for confidence. Confidence comes after you speak, not before. The first 50 conversations will feel weird. The next 50 will feel better. The next 50 will feel natural. That's how fluency works. Not magic, not talent, not luck. Practice, repetition, consistency. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to open your mouth. We're not just talking today. We're practicing. I'll give you a sentence. You repeat after me. Don't think, just repeat. Ready? I can speak English. I'm learning every day. I don't need perfect grammar. I just need to talk. I'm not scared anymore. I can do this. You see? This is how you train your brain. Simple sentences, strong mindset. Let me tell you a real story from when I was trying to speak Spanish. One day, I went to a restaurant in Mexico. I wanted to order food, but I was scared to speak. My heart was racing. My hands were sweating. My brain was saying, "You'll mess up. Don't do it." The waiter walked up to me and said something like, "¿Qué quieres?" which means, "What do you want?" My brain froze. But then I remembered the 2-second rule, so I forced myself to speak. I said, quiero, tacos, por favor. Was the grammar perfect? No. Did I sound like a child?
Probably. Did he understand me? Yes. Did I get my food? Yes. Did I speak Spanish that day? Yes. You learn by speaking messy English. Messy English is real English. Perfect English is fantasy. Before we finish, I want to say something important. You are not behind. You are not slow. You are not bad at English. You just haven't spoken enough yet. Your brain already has the English inside. You just need to bring it out. And you can. You absolutely can. Speak early. Speak messy. Speak scared. Speak without perfection. Speak every day. And slowly, your English voice will unlock and it will feel natural. And you'll finally say, wow, I can speak. If you liked this lesson and you actually want more conversations, more practice, more real English, then do the smart thing. Hit subscribe. Don't wait. Don't think. Just do it. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next speaking lesson. All right. I'm Daniel. Thanks for spending time with me today. Go practice, go speak, and I'll see you in the next video.